Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare creatine with juice or water. We'll explore the pros and cons of each mixing method to help you decide which is best for your fitness routine. Creatine is a widely used supplement, and how you consume it can impact its effectiveness and your overall experience. Let's dive into the details of mixing creatine for optimal results and convenience. Mixing creatine with plain water is a straightforward and popular choice. Water offers a neutral taste and adds no extra calories or sugars to your diet, which is ideal if you're watching your caloric intake. It's also incredibly convenient and inexpensive, making it an accessible option for everyone. This method ensures you get your creatine without any additional ingredients. On the other hand, mixing creatine with juice, especially a high glycemic one like grape juice, can offer unique benefits. The carbohydrates in juice can spike insulin levels, potentially enhancing creatine uptake into your muscles. Plus, the sweetness of juice can effectively mask the sometimes gritty or bland taste of creatine, making it more palatable. You also get some extra nutrients. Ultimately, the best way to mix your creatine depends on your personal preferences and dietary goals. If you're aiming to minimize sugar intake, water is your best bet. If you want to potentially boost absorption and improve taste, juice might be more appealing. Both methods are effective for delivering creatine to your muscles. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.